In this video, we're going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Deactivating your Facebook account will temporarily hide your profile and content. You can reactivate it at any time by just logging back in. To get started, go ahead and open up Facebook and tap on the menu icon by hitting the three lines in the bottom right hand corner. And then go ahead and navigate down to Settings and Privacy. Open this up and then hit Settings one more time, and then it's going to open up this whole section here. Go ahead and click on Account Center up at the very top, and once you do get on Account Center, go ahead and scroll down till you find the Account Settings section and then choose Personal Details. Hit Account Ownership and Control and then Deactivation or Deletion to open up this final page. Select the Facebook account you're trying to deactivate and then select Deactivate. Or you could choose delete if you want to fully delete. But essentially go ahead and hit continue and then enter in your password and then hit continue one more time, and it's going to deactivate your account. Keep in mind you can reactivate anytime if you change your mind just by simply logging in. Make sure to like and subscribe.